ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Good morning students. Today our topic is carbonyl compounds, new chapter, carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. This chapter is very important one. Carbonyl compounds. These carbonyl compounds are also called as aldehydes and ketones. Okay, carbonyl compounds means aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are called as carbonyl compounds. Right, aldehydes and ketones are called as carbonyl compounds. These are also oxygen containing organic compounds. Okay, oxygen containing organic compounds are alcohols, ethers, carboxylic acids, phenols, aldehydes, ketones. These are the oxygen containing organic compounds. Now, oxygen containing organic compounds, aldehydes and ketones, these are also belongs to oxygen containing organic compounds. These oxygen containing organic compounds like aldehydes and ketones, they are also very useful in biochemical reactions in our life. Especially some carbonyl compounds are used as fragrances and flavoring agents. They are especially used as solvent in the manufacture of paints, pharmaceuticals, drugs and some other compounds. Okay, especially these are used as solvents. And the most important carbonyl compounds are used for fragrances and flavoring agents. Most important one is vanillin. Okay, vanillin. Here vanillin is benzene ring with aldehyde group CHO, here OH group at meta position CH3. This is vanillin. And one more important one is salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde, it is also called as orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. And one more compound is cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde, its structure is C6H5CH double bond CHCHO. Okay, this is vanillin. From vanillin roots, vanillin roots or vanillin beans, as you are like vanillin roots or vanillin beans. Next, salicylaldehyde, it is from meadows sweets. Meadows sweets. It is from cinnamon. Cinnamon. From cinnamon. Okay, vanillin, aldehyde group containing compound, salicylaldehyde, aldehyde group, cinnamaldehyde, aldehyde group. Vanillin, salicylaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde, they are used as solvent in the manufacturing of paints, pharmaceuticals, medicines, drugs. These are also used as fragrances and flavoring agents, good pleasant smelling compounds. Vanillin, salicylaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde. Yes. What is the IUPAC name of carbonyl compounds? What is the IUPAC name of carbonyl compounds? Nomenclature of aldehydes. Nomenclature of aldehydes. Nomenclature of aldehydes. Compound, common name, compound, common name, and IUPAC name. Compound, common name, IUPAC name. HC double bond OH. HC double bond OH. Common name is formaldehyde. Common name formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. IUPAC name only single carbon, meth, ane and aldehyde is all. So IUPAC name methanol. Methanol. Similarly, CH3CHO, its common name is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. IUPAC name is eth plus ane plus all. Removal of E, ethanol. And one more name is CH3CH2CHO. Its name is propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Common name. IUPAC name is prop plus ane plus all. A removal of E. Propanol. Okay. Removal of E. Its name is ethanol. And prop plus ane, removal of E, its IUPAC name is propanol. And one more, CH3CH2CH2CHO, its common name is butyraldehyde. Butyraldehyde. IUPAC name is butanol. Butanol. Okay, and one more, CH3CH3CHO, 1 2 3 4 carbons, isobutyraldehyde. Its name is isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. Common name. But IUPAC name is 1 2 3. At second position, methyl group is present. So therefore, 2-methyl, okay, 2-methyl plus 3 carbons in the long chain, 1 2 3, prop plus ane plus all. A removal of E, 2-methyl propanol. Okay, common name and IUPAC name. And one more example. And one more example, CH3CH2CH2CH2CHO, 1 2 3 4 5 carbons containing compound. This is called as valeraldehyde. Common name is valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde, it is obtained from valerian plant root, valeraldehyde, and IUPAC name is pent, 5 carbons, only single bond is there, ane plus aldehyde all. So IUPAC name is pentanol. pentanol. IUPAC name is pentanol. Okay, and one more compound is CHO, here CH3. Okay, name of the compound is, here it is alpha, beta and gamma. Common name is gamma methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Gamma methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. IUPAC name is here 1, 2, 3. 3-methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. 3-methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. 3-methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Yes, and one more CH2 double bond CHO. Its common name is acrolein. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 carbons prop at second position in and 1 all. Therefore, prop plus second position is in, 2 in plus 1 all. Okay, prop 2 in 1 all. This is IUPAC name. And one more example is, benzene ring with 2 aldehyde groups CHO and CHO. Benzene with 2 aldehyde rings. This is called as phthalaldehyde. Common name is phthalaldehyde. Okay, phthalaldehyde. And IUPAC name is benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Okay, this is phthalaldehyde. Okay, compound, common name and IUPAC names. Then go for ketones. Common name and IUPAC nomenclature. Yes. Then go for next ketones. Nomenclature of ketones. Yes, ketones nomenclature of ketones. Compound and common name and IUPAC name of the compound. Common name and IUPAC name of the compound. Yes, here compound is CH3 C double bond O CH3. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Common name is dimethyl ketone. C double bond O dimethyl methyl ketone, dimethyl ketone. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. Prop, single bond A and C double bond O group 1. So IUPAC name is removal of E, propanol. This is the IUPAC name of the compound, propanol. Similarly, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This is ethyl group, it is methyl group. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. Common name is ethyl and methyl ketone. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. So, but between carbon, carbon, single bond N. At second position, keto group is present. So, 2-1 here, but N2-1, or it is also called as 2-butanol. Okay, this is 2-butanol. And one more, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Okay, for this compound, ethyl group, 2 ethyl groups, therefore diethyl, this is diethyl, here ketone, C double bond O group is ketone. It is the common name. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. At third position, C double bond O group is present. Therefore, total 5 carbons, pent, single bond, N. At third position is ketone. So, 1, pentane 3-1 or 3-pentanol. This is equal to 3-pentanol. Okay. And similarly, and one more, CH3CH, yes, CH3 isopropyl, C double bond O group, CH, CH3 and CH3. Isopropyl group, diisopropyl, it is ketone. So, common name is diisopropyl ketone, IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At second position, methyl group, fourth position, methyl group. Therefore, 2,4 dimethyl. Okay, 2,4 dimethyl. Total carbons, 5 carbons, pent and single bond A. At third position, ketone group is present. So, 3-1, here removal of E. So, 2,4 dimethyl pentane 3-1, or it is also called as 2,4 dimethyl 3-pentanol. Okay, 2,4 dimethyl 3-pentanol. This is the IUPAC name of the compound. Yes, and one more important one is like this. This is C double bond O group and CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2. This is propyl, it is propyl. So, dipropyl ketone. Common name is dipropyl ketone. Common name dipropyl ketone. And IUPAC name is here, it is the first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So, 7 carbons means hept, single bond is N. At fourth position, ketone group is present 4-1. So, here hept 4-1, hept N 4-1, or it is equal to 4-heptanol. 4-heptanol. Okay, this is IUPAC name. Okay, compound common names and IUPAC names of ketones. Then go for what about the structure of carbonyl compounds? Structure of carbonyl compounds. Right. What about the structure of carbonyl compounds? Structure of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound means C double bond O group. This is carbonyl group. Okay. Carbonyl group means it is a aldehyde or ketone. If your R group, it is considered as ketone. If your alkyl group and hydrogen, that is aldehyde. In both the cases, aldehydes and ketones, common structure is C double bond O. Okay. Now in this C double bond O group, oxygen electronegativity is greater than the carbon. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Therefore, these pi bonded electrons are shifted towards oxygen atom. As a result, oxygen gets negative charge, carbon atom gets positive charge. So therefore, here carbon with oxygen negative charge and here loss of electrons, this carbon atom gets positive charge. Okay, this is oxyanion, here carbocation. It is the polar bond. Polar bond between carbon and oxygen because of due to difference in their electronegativity. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Yes, now in this case, around this carbon, either it may be aldehyde or ketone like this. Here R C double bond O H. This is aldehyde group and ketone R C double bond O R, it is ketone. In both the cases, CO group is carbon group. CO is the carbon. Around this carbon means in carbonyl compound, either it may be aldehyde or ketone. In aldehyde or ketone, common group is CO group. Around this CO group is only 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. Here also same 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. Here also same 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. So around this carbon atom only 3 sigma bonds are present. 3 sigma bonds means it is undergoes sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. So carbonyl compounds undergoes sp2 hybridization. Either it may be aldehyde or ketone. So around this carbon 3 sigma bonds are present. Therefore they are undergoes sp2 hybridization. And one more important point, very important one. In aldehydes and ketones, carbon is electron deficient, oxygen is electron rich. So carbon is electron deficient, therefore especially in carbonyl compounds nucleophilic addition reactions takes place. Okay, at this position, here at this position nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. Okay, this is the electron deficient, therefore at this carbon atom nucleophilic nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reactions takes place. This is the very important one. In carbonyl compounds, nucleophilic addition reactions takes place. Okay, what is the main characteristic property of carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compounds undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions. Why? Because carbon oxygen bond is a polar bond. Always pi bonded electrons are partially migrates towards oxygen. Oxygen atom gets negative charge and carbon atom gets positive charge. Positive charge means it is electron deficient. So therefore nucleophiles are preferentially attacks at electron deficient carbon. That's why in carbonyl compounds preferentially nucleophilic addition reactions are takes place. Okay, are you able to understand the students? Here especially carbonyl compounds undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, this is about structure. sp2 hybridization means planar geometry. Planar geometry. Yes. Then go for next preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. Preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. Preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. Preparation methods of aldehydes and also ketones. First one, oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation of alcohols. Yes, here primary alcohols. Primary alcohols. Primary OH group means primary alcohols. Primary alcohols oxidation, aldehyde formation. Secondary alcohols on oxidation, here ketone formation. Tertiary alcohols elimination reaction takes place to form olefins. Okay, this is indicates aldehyde, here it is ketones. So here especially primary alcohols on oxidation, aldehydes formation, secondary alcohols on oxidation, ketones formation. Okay, primary alcohols oxidation aldehydes, secondary alcohols oxidation ketones. Here what are the main oxidizing agents used in this reaction? Oxidizing agents are potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 by H plus, acetic anhydride AC2O, acetic anhydride CrO3 chromium oxide, or CrO3 by pyridine. Okay, these are the oxidizing agents which are helpful to prepare aldehydes and ketones from alcohols. Right now, primary alcohol, for example, RCH2OH, primary alcohol, unoxidized with potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic medium H plus. This primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde RCHO, aldehyde. Similarly, secondary alcohols, secondary alcohol on oxidation with K2Cr2O7 by H plus, these are produced by ketones. Okay, R C double bond O, R is nothing but it is ketone, Here RCHO is aldehyde formation. This is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol upon oxidation, aldehyde formation. This is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol oxidation to produce ketones. Next one, further oxidation of aldehydes, it is produced by carboxylic acids. Okay, this is preparation method. Further oxidation of aldehyde in the presence of K2Cr2O7 by H plus. This aldehyde group is further oxidized to carboxylic acids or COOH. Okay, example, for example, ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol oxidation with K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acid. This alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde CH3CHO, acetaldehyde or ethanol. It is primary alcohol. If we take secondary alcohol CH3CHOH, CH3, this is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, isopropyl alcohol on oxidation with K2Cr2O7 by H plus. This isopropyl alcohol is oxidized to ketone, that is CH3COCH3, dimethyl ketone, C double bond O group. Okay, it is a secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol oxidation, aldehydes formation. Secondary alcohols oxidation, ketone formation. Ethyl alcohol to acetaldehyde. This is isopropyl alcohol to acetone or dimethyl ketone or propanone. Common name dimethyl ketone, dimethyl ketone. IUPAC name propanone, propanone. Its lab name acetone, lab name is acetone. Dimethyl ketone, propanone and acetone. Okay, this is the preparation method of aldehydes and ketones by using alcohols. Okay, first method, oxidation of alcohols. Primary alcohols oxidation, aldehyde formation. Secondary alcohols oxidation, ketones formation. If tertiary alcohols are involved in the reaction, what happen? Olefins formation. Okay, tertiary alcohols, olefins formation. Yes. Then go for next one. Second method is dehydrogenation of alcohols. Right. Second method is dehydrogenation of alcohols. Okay. Dehydrogenation of alcohols. Here dehydrogenation of alcohols, reagent is copper 300 degree centigrade temperature. Now by using this reagent, primary alcohols undergoes dehydrogenation, aldehydes formation, secondary alcohols dehydrogenation, ketones. Here tertiary alcohols with copper 300 degrees centigrade dehydration takes place. Here also olefins or alkenes formation takes place. Olefins by dehydration, not dehydrogenation. By using copper at 300 degrees centigrade temperature or 573 Kelvin temperature. Primary alcohols dehydrogenation, aldehydes formation. Secondary alcohols dehydrogenation, ketones formation. Tertiary alcohols dehydration, but not dehydrogenation. Dehydration takes place to produce alkenes or olefins. Yes, example. Here example is ethyl alcohol, CH3 CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. This ethyl alcohol reacts with copper at 573 Kelvin temperature, 300 degrees centigrade or 573 Kelvin. Dehydrogenation takes place. It gives aldehyde CH3CHO. It is also called as acetaldehyde. Primary alcohol. And second example is secondary alcohol, CH3, here H and OH, CH3 with copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. Dehydrogenation takes place. It gives dimethyl ketone or acetone. Okay, it is called as acetone. Hydrogenation, acetone formation. It is a isopropyl alcohol, secondary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. It is a secondary alcohol. And one more example is CH3, here CH3 and CH3OH group. It is reacts with copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. What happened? Dehydration takes place, not dehydrogenation. Here dehydration takes place. It gives CH3 double bond, here CH2 and CH3. Okay, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. At second position, methyl group. So 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. This is a olefin or alkene. Right, once again, dehydrogenation of alcohols in the presence of copper 300 degrees centigrade. Primary alcohols dehydrogenation, aldehydes formation. Secondary alcohols dehydrogenation, ketones formation. Tertiary alcohols dehydration, olefins formation. Best example, ethyl alcohol to acetaldehyde, isopropyl alcohol to acetone. Here tertiary butyl alcohol. This is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol to olefin, that is 2-methyl propane. Okay, it is the second method.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.